Hey, g'day. Pete again. I bought this. It's a 2001 SV650S. S because it's sporty. S because it's got a little nose cone and clip-on bars. You can also get a naked version that has a single headlight and regular style handlebars that attach on here. I got this really cheap because it's got a catastrophic failure. I think it's at least a cam chain or a valve bucket, or it could even be a bottom end. It's also got a crack in here that you may or may not be able to see, but pretty well it's stuffed. We'll kick her in the guts anyway. The choke. Come on. Sounds alright, sounds alright, sounds alright. Sounds pretty good. Got a bit of a miss. Everything's nice and quiet. And then it's not. But it rides really well. It'll go up and down the street just fine. Just makes that terrible noise. The brakes are good, the tyres are good, the paint's reasonable. Got these huge chips on here. I think somebody dropped the tank rather than the bike. A few little scuffs around the front, mirrored typical wear. Under here, crack in there. So yeah, the seats are good. It's got a rack. Plenty of tread. The idle settles down. And I picked up that miss again. The good news is I bought a wreck of a bike that's just a frame, an engine and two wheels, and that's going to be the donor to get this quickly back on the road, and then we'll do an autopsy on the V-twin that's in it and see if it's repairable or it just goes to scrap metal and keep a few spares. Anyway, I'd love it if you subscribed and hit the little like thing, because I can use all the help I can get. I'm a pretty decent bike restorer. I'm not a very good YouTuber, so bear with me, and we'll see if we can make this thing become decent. Cheers everybody, have a good day.